Wagwan everybody, welcome. Today we are playing Guess Who's Not Jamaican. There with me, we have 10 participants. All of them are claim say them Jamaican, but the twist is only 9 of them really Jamaican. One of them are for the imposter. Our 5 judges have to figure out who am the imposter. May I go explain the rules real quick. Every round, the judges are going to ask the participants question about Jamaican culture. All participants have to answer. Then, the judges are going to discuss who them think suspicious. Each judge are going to submit them vote and explain why them pick that person. Nobody are going to leave the game till the end. We are going to also hear confessionals where judges and participants explain who them suspect. At the end, the judges are going to make them final decision. If them guess right, the judges win. But if them guess wrong, the imposter win. Alright, make we start the game. Make we meet the judges.
Me name Dwayne Brown, Kingston born and bred. Me know me Jamaican culture. Me can spot who a fake.
Me Shanice Clark, me from Montego Bay. Me ready fi see who a act.
Me Ricardo Grant, Spanish Town. Me I watch everybody closely.
Me Tanya Williams, Mandeville. Me I pay attention to every answer.
Me Malik Johnson, me from Kingston. So make we find the imposter.
Now make we meet the participants them.
Me name Jordan. Me born and grow at Kingston.
Me Alana, me from Montego Bay.
Me a Marcus from Spanish Town.
Me name Tia, and me from Manchester.
Me Devon, and me from Clarendon.
Hi, me Kelsey, and me from St. Anne.
Me name Andrea Jr., and me from Kingston.
Me a Chris, and me Dea.
Me name me from Portland.
Hi everyone, me Danielle.
What your favorite Jamaican food?
Curry goat with rice and peas.
Oxtail with rice and peas.
Jerk chicken with festival.
Ackee and saltfish.
Stew peas.
Brown stew chicken.
Fried fish with bami.
Jerk pork.
Curry chicken.
Jamaican patties.
Everybody answer full meal.
But Daniel just say patties.
That sound like tourist food.
Maybe him just like patties?
Still feel suspicious. Me suspicious of Daniel already. Patty's good, but Jamaican normally name full dish.
Me think everybody could be Jamaican, but Daniel answer different.
Me a try blend in, but me think them a watch me.
What gwaan mean?
It's mean what's going on.
It mean what's happening.
It like say what's up.
It mean what's going on.
It mean what's happening.
It mean what's up.
It mean what's going on.
It mean what's happening.
It mean what's going on.
It mean hello.
That wrong translation.
Him the only one say hello. Nobody else say hello.
That answer suspicious.
Maybe him nervous.
Danielle say hello. Me more suspicious now.
Me hope them no start look at me.
Me think me blow it.